Hello everybody, this is Kisha with Crafty Sweet, and I'm so excited that you guys are here with me. Today I have a quick video to show you how to put on your stickers for your new ink pads. So these are the new 5 ink colors that Stampin' Up has brought to us with the new release of the annual catalog. So we have the 5 colors that I mentioned to you guys before in previous videos: the soft succulent, polished pink, fresh freesia, pale papaya, and evening evergreen. So when you receive your ink pads, they come wrapped in plastic cellophane wrap. So, and then if you flip over the back of the ink pad, you may miss the stickers that you should apply to your ink pad. So I'm going to show you what those stickers are for on the back of the ink pad. So I'm going to do an unboxing one really quick because I think it's a very easy way to get your stamp pads ready as soon as you receive them. So let's just take the cellophane off the ink pad really quick. And so you'll notice on the back, there's like a little lift tab right here. If you lift that lift tab, and I normally just peel mine up just like this. I only need, you'll notice, English and then the other languages. And then you'll notice a solid strip here. I'm going to show you where I put the solid strip. So I'm just going to discard these because I don't need the other languages. So I'm going to pick up the first one, and I used both ends of the take your pick tool actually. So I'm going to pick this one up using the spatula end just like this, and I'm going to help lift it just right, and I'm going to show you how the easiest way that I apply. So I put that on my spatula and lift it up, and you'll notice, so this is the top of the ink pad, and then if you flip the ink pad just a little bit, you'll see a little space right here, and this is where I apply my my tab. So when I'm storing my ink pads and I'm storing them like this, I can see the color this way. I really don't store them on the top, but if you're having your ink pads out for just say a class or anything and you're just crafting and you want to see, you can see the color here. But if you're stacking them like this, it's easier to see your colors this way. So now I'm going to show you what I do with this piece. So let's go ahead and lift the solid piece up and put that on the spatula. And now I'm going to open up the ink pad. So you lift the top of the ink pad like this, and it opens up. So the ink is actually stored upside down. And then you slide it. And this one is new. I haven't used this color, so it's a little tight. But the more you use it, it's going to loosen up. So right here on the ink pad, you see there's another little space, right? So this is where I apply this strip. And this makes it easier when you're crafting. So you can have your, more than one ink pad open up at a time. And you can see the color that you're using. So a lot of our dark colors, the ink pads may look the same. And when they're all open, it's kind of hard to tell what color is what. So if you put that label just on the inside, you know the color that you're getting ready to stamp in. All right, and then I just pull like this and then fold it back, and then make sure I clamp it down just like that so it's closed. Okay, so that is a very easy, quick way that you can put your ink pads together once you get them. And this works for all of our colors on the ink pads. That's how they come, and that's how you apply the stickers. So don't overlook the stickers in the back. Use those stickers to put your ink pads together so they'll be easy to use. Okay, thanks guys so much. I hope that helped you out, and so now you can get all your ink pads ready. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.